Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a message in Instacar. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you're in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your right corner and press on your profile there. Now you can just press on messages, and after that press on send us a message. And now you can just enter here the message itself, and after that press on send, and the message is going to be sent to them. And after that they will answer you once they get back online. In my case they are not online, but you might catch them during a daytime when they are online and they will answer you immediately. In that case, in my case, I have to wait until tomorrow. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.